We still have to finish exercise given on 92, right? Let's wait for another 2 minutes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, we are drinking fruity.
Why? You're hungry?
Yeah.
Huh?
Ma'am, uh, my mom brings fruity, so I'm drinking. Finish. Can you see me?
Yes. Yes, there I can see.
What you are doing?
We're doing negatives. No, we're doing sentences. Page
Okay.
number 92, exercise F and G.
Okay. See what time?
What, Lakshay? Where are you today?
At my room. And this is my brother's chair because my chair is shorter and this chair is longer. 94, 93.
Hmm?
And tomorrow we will have combined class.
Yeah. There'll be the Shera celebration tomorrow
Tomorrow
at
is a holiday, no?
9:15.
Ma'am, we have Ma'am, we have to perform something.
Thursday is working, Friday is a holiday.
No, 15 to 19 is holiday. Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry, what?
Ma'am.
One by one, please. Behave yourself.
Ma'am, on Friday, my nanny's bungalow is opening at Friday. So
Yeah,
there
Push,
will
what
be
were you asking?
So means 15 to 19 is holiday, no?
Hmm?
15 to 19 is holiday, no? 15 to
Yeah,
19.
yeah, yeah. So tomorrow is 14.
Yes. Excuse me, ma'am. Normal class, no?
I have already posted.
Ma'am, will Monday will Monday be a holiday then?
Who was this? Ayush, I think.
Yes.
What, Ayush?
Ma'am, will Monday be a holiday then?
I have already posted this message earlier, right?
Yes.
Wait, I'll confirm once again. So the
Yes,
holiday
ma'am,
is
you have
from
posted.
15 to 19.
19. So Monday is a holiday, na? I'm confirming.
Monday and Tuesday will also be holiday. Saturday, Sunday will also be a holiday, and Friday will also be a holiday.
And
I posted this message, and I'm just confirming.
Yes, ma'am, you posted
yes,
it
ma'am.
in the
Ma'am, I have a
classroom.
question. Ma'am, what are
You
we doing?
people
You
confuse
even
me.
posted about the Diwali vacation.
Ma'am, why? Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Ma'am,
What are we doing?
excuse me.
Yes,
What are we
Rudra
doing? What
Master.
are we
Ma'am,
doing? What
Dad,
are we
question.
doing? What are
Bigdan, I'll remove you, huh? Behave yourself.
Ma'am, but what are we doing?
I will not answer if this is the way you ask me. Sorry.
Ma'am, what are
Yes,
we
Rudra
doing?
Ma'am,
Master.
I forgot from when the Diwali holidays.
I've written it. It is from 30th of October to 14th of November.
22 October to 14th,
30th.
38th of
30th
October.
October.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'm only 14 days. 38 to 14.
Not 14 November.
15 days old.
Okay. Another reminder. Yeah, first of all, I want to ask questions to all those who have raised their hands. Aryaman, what's your question?
Ma'am, my question is that on the 30th October, we have to attend the class or...
No, the first holiday is on 30th October.
Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, I wanted to ask ma'am.
I will ask.
Ma'am, till
I will ask. Just raise your hands.
which November?
Yash Desai,
Excuse me,
you
ma'am.
want me to remove you? Just raise your hand. Don't just switch on your mic and start talking. Yeah, Vedi.
Ma'am. Ma'am, Monday is holiday, right?
Yeah.
Till
Arna.
Tuesday. Okay.
Yeah, till Tuesday. Arna. So the dictation is postponed to next Tuesday then. Okay?
Okay,
The
ma'am.
19th
Excuse
dictation.
me, ma'am. I have a question.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah, Arna.
Ma'am, I was asking that tomorrow we have to sit with any material during the celebration.
Have you got a mail or something from Jyoti ma'am? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Let's check.
Ma'am, I've joined class 5 minutes late, so can you tell what we were discussing?
No, I will not because you switched on your mic on your own. Karnav had a question. Karnav.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Karnav.
Ma'am, I'm not. Ma'am, I'm not in town. I cannot attend class in tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday.
Tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday also. Okay. So
I am traveling to
only,
Dubai.
I've only got a mail from your side saying that you'll not be attending the class on 14th, right? So if
Yes.
you're not attending it on the other 2 days that you have mentioned, please send me a mail, okay? And if you want the recordings, please mention that in the mail.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, I have one more question.
Also.
One sec, Rudra. Yes, ma'am.
I have written the dates like 2021 also in the mail. He won't be attending 14 and 2021.
So if you want the recordings, ma'am, just send a mail because
Yes,
you've not
sure.
mentioned in that mail that you
Yes,
want.
I'll do that. Yeah.
Fine. Rudra Master.
Ma'am, from 30th to which date till the holiday of Diwali?
14.
14.
Yeah, one.
Ma'am, tomorrow all the classes will be gathered or means or with the timetable.
Grade
Yeah,
5 in activity room. Both grade 5A and B in the grade 5 activity room.
Ma'am, from 9 to 12:50.
Why are you people confirming things for which a written message has already been posted in the class? Am I your talking Tom?
Ma'am, my mothers want to talk you.
In the HRM? No, there's no HRM. Sorry. Yeah. What is the issue? What is the issue, Lakshay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, which mail? He's telling me something. Jyoti ma'am has sent the mail. Which one? I didn't get that.
Lakshay, which mail, bacha?
You said that Jyoti ma'am sent the mail.
What is written in that?
We don't get it.
Arey ma'am, you were asking that did anyone receive the mail? Yeah.
That Jyoti ma'am has said, so he is confused in that.
Okay, ma'am, there is the Shera celebration at 9:30 tomorrow, so they will
Okay,
not
that
join
one
the
I got,
English
ma'am.
class.
Ma'am, that one I got it.
Yeah, that's it.
There's it. He is saying something that Jyoti ma'am has the mail sent That is sent by you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, can we begin the quiz now? Page number 92, exercise F and G. All of you please put your hands down. Ma'am, Migdad, what is it?
Ayush has a doubt.
Ayush, can you switch off your mic?
I have a doubt.
What
So
are you
at the
saying?
15, you'll randomly switch on the mic without the teacher telling you to do so.
What are you saying? Why did you call it my name?
Migdad, yeah, tell me.
Yes, on which page are we on?
9 to 92 of your grammar book.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, page number?
92.
Ma'am, can I tell the first one? 92.
Yes, 9 to 92.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. First one.
Ayush Singhania. Ayush, what is your doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, my doubt is that the Shera celebration, we don't have to bring anything, na?
Why are you reading something which is not written there? Why are you people reading what is not written there?
Ma'am,
Why are
because
you imagining, hallucinating?
or prepare something. That's why I'm asking.
If that would have been case, we don't inform you or what? We do, no?
Yes.
Then why creating confusion in the class? Just sit the way you sit in the English class. That's it. All right? Just sit in the class the way we sit for a normal class. The only difference is that we are going to log in into the activity room class. Don't come here in 5B. Join the activity class. Both the classes will be taken together at 9:30. All the teachers will be present of grade 5. All right. Now, please put your hands down. I'm not going to answer any questions. Tuisha, Rudra, Yash, Khevna, Vedi. Put your hands up.
Ma'am, I had raised hand for the 92 page number answer.
So we have to circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. Number 1, Rudra Jajadia. Quickly.
My friend helped me select my birthday dress. My friend is the subject. Helped me select my birthday dress is the predicates.
Okay, great. Both are right. My friend is the subject. Number 2. Number 2, Tuisha.
Can I tell?
Number 2 is Tuisha. People, please raise your hands.
And what's the answer of number 1?
Who is this? Migdad, my friend is the subject and the rest of it is predicate. Tuisha, number 2.
Yes, ma'am. We is a subject and are working together on this project is predicate.
Correct. Yash, number 3.
Ma'am, my uncle is a subject. We frightened with his new phone.
My uncle was frightened with his new phone. Is he
Yes,
your uncle a
ma'am.
type?
Ma'am, fascinated. Ma'am, fascinated. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my uncle is a subject, then everything else is a predicate.
But you're reading it wrong, darling. It's not frightened. It's fascinated.
Okay.
My uncle was fascinated with his new phone. So my uncle is the subject and the rest of it is the predicate. Number 4. Kushahuja. Kushahuja. Number 4.
I can't listen.
Lakshay. We is the subject.
We is the subject and the rest of the predicate. Yes,
Correct.
ma'am.
Correct. Correct.
This jacket is subject, is on sale is predicate.
Good. Number 5, Anna.
Ma'am, a spicy burger is the subject and tastes good with apple juice will be the predicate.
Correct. Number 6, Freya.
Ma'am,
Switch on your
number
cameras
six, one
before
of the
it's too
three
late.
wise men is the subject and was carrying a large blue jug is the predicate.
Right. Now, here in this sentence, one of the 3 wise men, the complete thing is a subject. Are you Shivania? Can you tell me why are you switching on your mic on and off?
Ma'am, it got on.
Ma'am, what is the sixth
Ma'am,
one? I can't
what is
listen.
what is the answer of question number 2 and question number 5?
Where were you?
Ma'am, I was here only.
So why did you not hear? And never am I able to see you, Ayush. I am only able to see the roof of your house, the window, the AC.
Ma'am, this time because the camera has to be the because I'm doing in computer, the camera and microphone doesn't work unless I attach the camera, and my iPad is not working today. It's stuck. I don't know why. I can switch off. I can leave meeting. That's why.
Where were we? Number 6.
Ma'am,
One
what
of
was point 5?
the 3 wise men. The whole of it is the subject because we are talking about one out of the 3 men. So what are we referring to? We are referring to all 3, but we are talking about one of them. So the whole of it is going to be the subject. One of the 3 wise men is the subject. Was carrying a large blue bag is the predicate. Got it?
I'm not bag, a jug.
Sorry. A blue jug. Number 7. Kevna.
Ma'am, what is the predicate?
Yes, ma'am.
The rest of it, Lakshay, the rest of it is the
The
predicate.
third one.
What is the sentence? Subject, sorry.
Which one are you talking about, Lakshay?
Sixth one.
Was carrying a large blue jug is the predicate. Kevna.
Okay. Seventh one. The third one from the left is my cousin Anura. The third one from my left, our cousin Anura is the subject.
So what is the predicate?
And the predicate is the third one from my left.
The third one from the left is the predicate. And my cousin Aruna is the subject.
No.
That's what you're saying.
No, ma'am. I said that the third one from my left is a subject, and cousin she is that is the predicate.
Migdad, repeat. Number 7.
The third one from the left is the subject and is my cousin Aruna is predicate.
Okay. Number 8. Mohit Dhyandalal Gunav Rahil. Please leave my class. Mohit Dhyandalal Gunav Rahil. You want me to remove you? I'll be more than happy.
No, ma'am.
Then, why are your cameras off? Huh? Why are your cameras off?
मैम उसका लैपटॉप बिगड़ गया है ना, तो कैमरा में वो हमारे मोबाइल में है ना, तो नेटवर्क का इश्यू हो रहा है, तो वो कैमरा बंद करता है ना, तो अच्छे से वो आपकी आवाज आ रही है उसको.
तो मैम उसको मुझे बता देना चाहिए कि मैं आज
मैंने
कैमरा
उसको
ऑफ
बोला
रखने
मैम,
वाली
वो नीचे इसीलिए आया है कि आप जल्दी जल्दी मैम को बता दो. मैम मानेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि अभी सबका इश्यू यही है कि नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, इसीलिए उसका आज लैपटॉप है ना हैंग हो गया है, तो उसको इसमें पिन करना भी नहीं आता है. हमने मोबाइल में फर्स्ट टाइम किया है.
ठीक है.
तो कुछ भी उसको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है फोन में, मतलब पिन कैसे करते हैं, ये कैसे करते हैं. तो आज तो रेनू मैम ने सिखाया भी कैसे करते हैं, ये करना पड़ता है, तो मतलब जो भी प्रोसीजर है वो सब.
And
इसलिए अभी वो कैमरा ऑन करेगा ना, तो ही नेटवर्क आ रहा है फोन में. मैम ऐसा है उसका.
Mohit and Gunav and Rahil, why are your cameras off?
Then even my iPad is hanging. That's why the cameras only have, because my iPad is hanging, so that's why I joined from the computer.
Fine. These people are not going to answer, no? It's too late to switch on your.
Ma'am, they left. Ma'am, can I say it's
1 minute, yeah, 1 minute.
Ma'am, you removed the Dhyan Dalal.
Now you are calling Dhyan Dalal, no?
1 second, children. Can you let me do my job? Everybody wants to be the teacher. Okay. Number 8. Dharya, answer number 8.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Alia won one of the toughest competition in the logical reasoning. Ma'am, Alia will be the subject and logical reasoning will be the predicate.
Again.
Alia will be the subject and logical reasoning will be the predicate.
And what about one of the toughest competitions? They've gone for jogging?
No, and one of
Then?
the toughest competition in logical reasoning will be the predicate.
Yeah, the whole of it. You cannot miss any one word also. So Alia is the subject. One of the toughest competitions in logical reasoning is the predicate. Number 9. Aryaman, number 9. Did Dhyan Dalal join?
Yes, ma'am.
I sent him the link.
Mali, her husband Niran, and their 2 children, Mimi and Vinod, are visiting us tomorrow.
Subject is?
Subject is tomorrow.
Wow. And what is the predicate?
Ma'am, the whole.
Ma'am, can I say?
You can say. Say it at your home with your mic off. Say. With your mic off. This is the answer now I'm going to give all of you. You can say with your mic off. Ariman Sangai, we are waiting for the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm waiting for the answer.
Ma'am, I told.
Okay. Good. Freya, give me the answer. Ariman, your answer is wrong.
Malina, her husband Naren, and their two children, Minnie and Vinit, is the subject, and the rest is the predicate.
And the rest is the predicate. Good. So Malini, her husband Naren, and their two children Minnie and Vineet are the whole of it is the subject because they all are going to visit us tomorrow. So the all of the people are the subject, not just one of them. Got it?
Okay.
Are visiting us tomorrow is the subject. Number 10, Ridan. Give me the answer for number 10.
Yes, ma'am. Nobody is subject and likes an uninvited guest are predicate.
Uninvited guest is the predicate. Okay. Take 2 minutes and finish this. Match the following quickly. Match the subject with the predicate. Complete the sentence quickly. 2 minutes. Keep your mouth zipped if you've done at tuition. I'm talking to people who do it in the class.
Ma'am, done. What's the following?
I need to learn French now. Because you people don't understand English.
What?
Done.
Keep announcing. Keep announcing. I'm preparing gold medals.
Ma'am, done.
Excellent.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, work is done.
Okay. So the first one is information. So what will be the predicate? Ekansh.
Ma'am, the predicate will be it's easy to find on a computer.
Okay, good. Number 2, my friend. Daksh Patel. My friend. Daksh Patel. My friend. Don't show me your hand.
Ma'am, can I say?
Please, someone talk to, can I say? Daksh Patel. Give me number 2. My friend.
Nearly.
What?
Nearly.
Which page are you on, Daksh? Page number?
74.
Page number 74.
Ma'am, 92.
People move forward and you move backward. Daksh, we are on page number 92. We are on page number 92.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Tells me that haven't about great website.
Good. My friend tells me about great websites. Good. Number 3. Yash, number 3. Lakshay, number 4.
Ma'am, it will come the option C.
See, this is the reason I don't ask you, Yash.
Why?
This is the reason.
Ma'am, please.
You don't read the whole sentence. You don't read the question. You just tell me what is the answer.
Reading.
No, I don't want to ask you again.
Excuse me,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
I'm reading.
Ma'am, may
Can
I?
everyone give only the answer? You've been in the class for like so many months. To the children, just give me just
Ma'am, may I?
area.
Ma'am, I complex machine.
Rudra.
What, Yash?
Ma'am, I complex machine. Ma'am, can I please add?
Can I, ma'am?
Some sheeps also need to go from the class.
Ma'am, can I please? Ma'am, I complex machines.
Yash Desai, what are you doing? We are on number 3. You are on
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
Online dictionaries are complex machines. Very good. Excellent. Jahan Agarwal, give
Ma'am,
me the
help us find correct spelling.
Now you will not say. Now you will keep quiet. I gave you 2 minutes time to complete it. That's the reason I gave those 2 minutes. I did not give those 2 minutes to tell me, may I answer, can I answer, can I answer, may I say. Jahan, number 4.
Ma'am, I want to say that you tell us.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am.
Lakshay. Jahan, you give me number 5. Lakshay will give me number 4.
Number 5 will be the A1, the R. I don't know spell. Now, what is the R after the word? Ma'am, it is A1.
1 second.
R every day here.
I need to take the attendance.
Ma'am,
17 children in my class. No? 1 second.
Ma'am, A1.
Ma'am, 16 children's.
Children's. Plural. Very good. Plural of children is children's. Thank you for teaching me good English.
Ma'am, it is A1.
Ma'am, children only, not children's, cause children. It's already the plural form.
I will forget my English teaching 5D.
Ma'am,
You'll have to go to school again.
Ma'am, it is A1.
Ma'am, only 15 students because Anushka has 2 IDs.
Okay. Ma'am,
Correct.
it is 4A. A1.
I am not going to ask Lakshay also now. Because he was
Spelled.
weather reports are released every day.
Yes, I tell this only, but I can't. How can I tell the
Weather
third?
reports are released every day. Last one, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. Computers, C, are complex machine.
Computers are complex machines. Yes, there. What is your question?
Ma'am, and information it will not come tells me about great websites.
Information tells me about great websites. Can information talk?
No.
Then when it is tell, something has to talk, no? Someone has to talk. Right? Any other doubts that you people have?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Reminder, you have PTM at 12:30 today. Please be there, otherwise it will not be rescheduled.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Next class we will do chapter number 16.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Adios, Senora. Adios, Senora.
What is this, Rudra?
Bye, ma'am. You want to learn Spanish? No, I tell in Spanish. Adios.